Hi, it's Grant here. It's June 22nd, Wednesday. We're going to be remodeling this shower trim with a new Moen Chateau single handle shower valve and trim assembly. So there's access in the back, but we're going to put the new Chateau trim plate over here, a new diverter spout. We're going to have to repipe a little bit of brass fittings here because this is old Galby back here, and a new shower head. So the Moen Chateau is going to be a remodel trim plate. I'll go out back. So here's the panel in the back. It'll be left open for us. After we're done, just put the panel back on, screw these screws down. Here's the new valve. It'll be right here. If you need to cut this wood up a little bit for the new valve to go right there, feel free to do so. This is soft copper. We're gonna cut here, remove this, so cut here and then cut here. And then we'll plumb in the new shower valve. And then we'll put this panel back on. And then we'll put the trim kit on in the front. Thank you.